Okay, everybody, so here's the puzzle piece that I was talking about that this is like, again, that Kathy Richardson resource. And so what I would do is I would cut this puzzle piece out and I just put it on some tag board or a note card or index card or something like that. And then I would have counters available for students, whichever. And I would ask them, let's figure out how many counters are in there. And so just having them, count. And I might purposely give them different colors, and I'm going to tell you why. So they're putting them all in here, let's say, and then they may go, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And the reason why I am giving them different counters is because then they can go and tell me what they saw. Well, each of those counters, and so they saw 8, so they'd put an 8 up here. And then how did they see it? Well, I saw 1 plus 1 plus 1 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's why the different colors, because each of these different colors represents the 8. So then, working with students, I might say, well, how else could you see 8? And so that's where I'd say, well, what about if you had 2 colors? So then asking them to fill it in, would that work? Could you do this with 2 colors? And I am leading them. And if you've got the relationship with your class, that they could discover this on their own, even better. So for this, then how did you see 8? Oh, well, I saw 4 green ones and I saw 4 red ones. How did I see 8? I saw 8 as 4 green and I saw 8 as 4 red. And then you think about, well, how else could I see it? Well, maybe I saw it as I saw 5 and I saw 3. So you just keep working your way through this, and maybe it gets to a point where they break it down into, I saw 4 plus 2 plus 2. I mean, there's all different ways you could go with this, but the important thing is the combination and helping our first graders see that inside of 8 is other numbers. Okay. Well, thanks. Hope this works for you.